Amsterdam is famous for its stunning canals and waterways, and the Amsterdam's Oranjesluizen are one of the engineering marvels that make this possible. These impressive locks, located in the eastern part of the city, are a vital part of the water management system that keeps the city from flooding during heavy rains and high tides. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the Amsterdam's Oranjesluizen, their history, design, and significance to the city. History. The Oranje locks were constructed in the early 1900s to regulate the water levels in the IJmeer, an inland bay connected to the North Sea. The locks were built at a time when Amsterdam was experiencing significant growth, and the city's existing water management system was struggling to cope with the increased demand. The Oranje locks were designed to provide additional capacity for managing the water levels in the city's canals and waterways. Design. The Oranje locks are an impressive feat of engineering, consisting of 3 large lock complexes that are interconnected to form a single system. The locks are made up of large concrete walls and metal gates that can be opened and closed to allow boats to pass through. The largest of the 3 lock complexes is the OranjeSluzen, which measures 400 meters in length and 40 meters in width, making it one of the largest locks in Europe. The locks are powered by a hydraulic system, which uses pressurized water to open and close the gates. This system is incredibly efficient, allowing the gates to be operated quickly and smoothly, even when there is a significant amount of water flowing through the locks. Significance. The Amsterdam's Oranjesluizen are a vital part of the city's water management system, ensuring that the water levels in the city's canals and waterways remain stable and do not overflow during heavy rain or high tide. The locks also play a critical role in maintaining the water quality in the IJmeer, preventing saltwater from the North Sea from entering the inland bay and polluting the water. In addition to their practical significance, the Oranje locks are also an important part of Amsterdam's cultural heritage. They are a testament to the city's long history of water management and engineering, which has allowed Amsterdam to thrive as a port city for centuries. That's enough information about Amsterdam for today. Subscribe to the channel and leave some trace of yourself for reach. Best regards, Tommy Service Team.